I think very pertinent topic you have raised. Now, I believe this new automation we are already in, and you see if you the line between the IT and non-IT organization is not visible anymore. So every kind of sector and organizations are adopting, new technologies and automation because the line even between the local and the global business is also not visible anymore, right? So to remain competitive, not at the local end, but at the global end, organizations are moving towards the automation. And how does this help basically? In multiple ways. Like one of them is it is improved efficiency, right? Automation actually streamlines your processes without sacrificing accuracy and quality, right? So when your team can access the accurate data, they need to perform their job efficiently, naturally goes up, right? And the second benefit of the automation is that is heightened the productivity, right? The best tasks for automations could be those that are repetitive and boring for human workers. Those can be automated. And the third benefit we can figure out is that it boosted the accuracy, right? So automated systems are obvious choice for any process that requires entirely accurate information and figures. So automation can be brought in such process. And the other one is the easier collaboration and tracking of progress and changes, right? So like an automated system does not need to be prompted to update and track progress. It will never forget to move a project along and keep track of both progress and changes. So it helps in that manner. And it also enhances the flexibility, right? Automation is, in a way, is not a one-size-fits-all solution. We can pick and choose how we integrate the latest innovation in automation so that the most benefit of our business and workflow can be achieved. Careful consideration is required which tasks in our different procedures and methods are the best candidate for automation, which helps to make the most out of the available emerging technologies. Good. Some of the examples in the industries, if you say manufacturing industries, they're using automation for predictive maintenance, production enhancement, and quality enhancement. And in any retail industry, if you see, Amazon Go, the cashier-less supermarket, the use of robots and AI in the retail sector is growing at a rapid pace. And even in healthcare sector, if you see, artificial intelligence is already being used to diagnose and treat disease. So this is, as a summary, automation is helping to work and manage the business operation to the next level. Thank you. Thank you, Deepak ji. And I think what Dr. Sushil and Viswajit and other panel member has shared is the use cases are actually shows that this is the democratization of the technology, right? See how the organization and the business are adopting technology to improve the service and their product quality, right? So basically what happens is the goal of any business in terms of the customer interaction is to generate loyalty, right? And there is no better way to do that than to offer quality product or services, right? So what I would here mention is that that though these all use cases must have adopted these needs of improving the service quality, but the businesses you still want to use technology to raise the quality of their customer services need to focus on few things I would like to mention. One is the data management and analytics, using data collected from customer to analyze their preferences. That is one is must requirement. And streamline and automating business process to improve efficiency and keep cost low. That is another part of this using technology for improving. Self-service optimization is another angle to see that. Finding ways for customer to interact with your business when they want, that is coming in. And workforce effectiveness is the other part. Now, as I come through, uh, new domain now, that is a geospatial technology and solution, I would like to mention very pertinent thing is that how relevant are the digital maps today, right? See, the new technology improving the service quality. All of this, companies like Swiggy, Zomato, Uber, Ola would not have been possible if there were no digital maps and if the maps were not supported by a digital platform, right? So it looks like in future maps will be the heart of any digital infrastructure. So this is how new technologies is helping in improving the customer services. And this is very, again, impactful, question, I think. And I'm sure I won't surprise you if I, say that the smart use of technology is an integral part of success in business today, right? So we live in a digital era using mobile devices to create, cloud computing to collaborate, cognitive computing and artificial intelligence to improve operation, and data analysis to extract key insights. So the technology is impacting the industries of the futures in multiple ways. The number one industry could be technology, of course. So if you say there, cloud computing, machine learning, and AI, and big data were cited as the main factors that will make biggest impact. Take the number two industry, that is health. As Sushil will also add upon that. The health industry overall future now, future output looks strong thanks to the subsectors of biotech, health data management, personalized health solution, which is based on the idea that health data will drive your immediate and long-term treatment options. See the doctor consultation, right? This is helping in a way. So when you talk about the devices, right? So even the devices are, if you say the IoT devices, so all are driven by the technologies, smart devices, IoT devices connecting in industrial environment, in smart cities. So they are all connected and integrated using the different technologies. And even if we talk about the deliveries, so deliveries are also being impacted with the new technologies. Like you might have heard of the company called Groffer, right? Recently, uh, using a technology, how they improved their delivery process is a way that they rebranded themselves as a name, a Blink It, right? And the grocer which used to deliver the groceries and all those stuffs in 1 day or 2 day now used to deliver in 10 minutes, right? So see how the technology, so they must have used some technology or the process around it to build this new business process where they are able to deliver fast, right? So these are the few ways where the technology is driving data, devices, and delivery.